vegetables is like doing your homework. You may not want to do it, but it's good for you. I admit, I think vegetables are not the yummiest food on the planet. But today, we are gonna make the most scrumptious, leafy green dish ever! Miso Baked Bok Choy. It has only 4 ingredients, and even I, a little 6-year-old kid, can make it easily. Trust me, your mommy's jaw will drop when you whip this out for dinner. So let's get cooking! The 4 ingredients are 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of margarine, 1 tablespoon of miso paste, and 200 grams of bok choy. Where's my bok choy? It seems that we don't have any left. Oh, I have an idea. Let's go and visit one of my favorite markets. Before we leave, don't forget to take out your aprons. Wonderful. Let's go! Ta-da! Here we are. Wait, where am I? I thought I was going to the market. Hey, what's that? Come on! Is this a container? What could be inside? Oh wow! This is a farm! I know what it is. But first, let me change into something a little bit more comfortable. Now that's better. Welcome to Clean Vegetables. What we see here is not just a container. It is a self-contained system of agriculture which allows crops to grow faster and cheaper, consuming less space and less energy compared to the most efficient farming methods available today. Come on, follow me, and I will show you. Down these neat lanes of verdant green columns, we can have over 500 kgs of kailan, choy-sam, and bok choy ready for harvesting. After starting off as seeds only 5 weeks ago, the seeds start in the germination cabinet, where they develop into seedlings. Look at them, aren't they adorable? Once they're ready, they'll be transplanted into little containers and moved into the main area where they can grow. So how could the system use only 5 liters of water a day and still produce 6,000 kgs of vegetables in 1 year? The answer is nanoponics. Come on! A highly advanced and efficient, newly patented technology which converts liquid nutrients into gas called colloid gas. First, water is mixed with liquid nutrients in this chamber below. Essential nutrients for the crops are efficiently converted into colloid gas within this groundbreaking system. The colloid gas then flows down the columns and is absorbed by the air roots of the vegetables. And the gas gets recycled again. This closed-loop system allows complete control of the environment. Clean vegetables can grow crops at $1 per kg and is 5 times cheaper than regular farming. Amazing! Singapore consumes 75 million kg of vegetables a year, and a small container like this can already produce 6,000 kg. The best thing is that the containers can be stacked, so we'll only need half the land size of Garden Spider Bay, and you'll fully supply all of Singapore's vegetable needs. After 5 weeks, the crops are ready for harvesting. Come on, let's have some bok choy for our recipe. Look at these amazing bok choy. They're naturally pesticide free because of the sterile environment and being fed only the perfect concoction of nutrients. So these leafy vegetables are extra crunchy and sweet. I think it's time for us to go back to the kitchen and finish up our recipe. Wow! Clean vegetables was so amazing! Look at the bok choy we harvested. So crisp and fresh. Let's finish our recipe before it's dinner time. You know what I'm gonna do. Now that's better! Firstly, preheat the oven to 210 degrees Celsius and cut the bok choy in half. Next, in a bowl, whisk the olive oil, mirin, and miso paste together. Then brush the bok choy with the sticky, gooey miso mixture. Place the bok choy on a pan on the top rack and bake it for 4 to 5 minutes until tender in the stem and slightly crisp and brown at the edges. Time to take them out of the oven. Look at them! They smell heavenly! Miso Baked Bok Choy will make leafy vegetables the star of your dinner. Oh my gosh, that's so yummy! Maybe because I don't eat vegetables? Try this recipe out and hashtag Lawrence's Kitchen and Clean Vegetables recipes so we can see your delicious versions of this easy dish. Bye bye, see you next time! Now it's time for me to dig in.